everyone, welcome back to Tradecraft Academy. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe our channel for basics to advanced knowledge of trading. In our previous video, we started 5-day series of $50 to $3,000 using simple binary trading strategy with money management and risk management. So I am ready for today. If you want to start your binary trading journey with me, I will give the link of Best Broker in the description. Let's go to the laptop screen. Last day, we made from $50 to $172 with 5 sure shot trades. Our accuracy was 100%. If you haven't watched that previous video, go and watch. I will give the link in the description. Today is our second day. We will follow our rules and strategy to make a good profit in the market. Every day, market behavior is different. First, we should analyze the currency pairs market in which it is stable. Sometimes our predictions are based on market trends, breakout levels, candlestick patterns, and volume. You will learn how the market works from the market. The sellers are strong here, and I will go for the put option. Let's wait for the result. As I predict, the candle go down, and our first trade is in good profit. Now, their market is bullish and buyers are active and market has broken the resistance level. So I will go for the call option with 30% risk. Let's wait for the result. As we predict market go up in our second trade sure shot win, You have always been alert and focused on the chart. The market can trap you anytime, so be relaxed and work with confidence. This candle takes rejection from a strong level, so I will go for a put option. Let's wait for the result. As I said, the market can trap you anytime this candle goes opposite to our prediction, and we lose our investment on this trade. But don't worry on the next trade, we will recover our loss with multiple trades. I found this great opportunity, so I executed multiple trades for the put option, because I am sure this candle would go down. The reason is that the last candle indicated that buyers were weak, so this candle would go down, and also there is a resistance level. Let's wait for the result. Sure shot 1. As I predicted on the next candle, I will also go for the put option because the trend is reversed and now sellers are active. Deep win. Now I will wait a minute. And I will take entry with a safety margin for the put option, because I know that sellers are active now. Sure shot win as I predicted. I placed again a trade on the put option. Let's see what happens. Let's wait for the result. Wow, again, sure shot won. You are watching that we are performing good in market today. The market is now on a support level, so I will change the pair for the last trade. Here I am going for call option because I know that this candle will go up. Let's wait for the result. Amazing result. As you see, we won deep sure shot with call option. We made a good profit today from $172 to $763. Today was our second day. We performed very well with 90% accuracy. I hope you enjoy this video. Thank you for joining me on this live trading journey. If you found this video helpful and want more tips and strategies for binary trading, please hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Remember, trading can be rewarding, but it's essential to keep learning and practicing. Happy trading, and I'll see you in the next video.